Now, JEE means this year they already announced that they will conduct in February, March, April, May. So students are feeling a little bit tension. Many calls I got also. So what happened? Another 40 days time is there before the first phase of the examination. Whether it's the first phase, second phase, third or fourth phase, how to prepare it? Particularly this 40 days time, how to prepare the mathematics, physics, chemistry. How to prepare this maths, physics, chemistry to get a good rank, good marks, targeting a good seat in engineering colleges of the NEETs or triple IITs or the IITs. For that purpose, some perfect planning should be needed. Because if we take the examination 2013 I am talking, that is AAEEE. This exam name is the previously AAEEE. That papers if we take, they are very much typical. Later on, it is transformed to the JEE mains. 2013 to 18 papers, little bit standard decreased. But now, NTA started examination. NTA involved examination preparation of the JEE mains. During that time, many states are involved. Many states are taking the ranks and marks of the JEE mains to fill their engineering college seats. To fill their engineering college seats, JEE means marks they are considering. For that purpose, say the paper standard little bit decreased because say they will get a minimum marks, they will get a good rank. Then only the state with 0 marks or minus marks they can't fill their engineering colleges. So for that reason, the last 3 years if we take 2018, 19, 20, the pattern of the examination, that means the typicalness of the examination is decreased. So the mains now if you are preparing, those who are preparing for February, March or April or May, remember carefully, the last 3 years papers are the very crucial. Last 3 year mains paper you have to prepare. And before going to that questions of the 3 years, you have to know what type of topics are important. And within this 40 days time, how to prepare all the 3 subjects, maths, physics, chemistry. First, I will discuss today about only mathematics. Next, in the next episode, I will discuss about the physics chemistry. So, not only the chapters, how to prepare, what are the subtopic, what type of questions are occurring in the examination, we will discuss. That is, say, major thing is within this 40 days, how to prepare. So, depending upon the 2018, 19, 20 papers, different slots, morning shift, evening shift, different slots they conducted. Depending upon that, say I analyzed the question paper and what type of questions are coming and which chapters has got more weightage and which chapters are more frequently coming, all that is analyzed. And that I wanted to discuss so that it will be very easy for you to prepare for the mains examination within 40 days with a perfect planning. I will tell the chapter wise planning also. So now coming to depending upon the JEE mains analysis 2020 I am doing it. Actually the mains 18 paper 19 paper I am analyzed and 2020 they used to conduct from January and April, but due to this COVID system they conducted in January and say September. That depending upon that papers, first mathematics we'll see what happened in these maths questions. So if we take a frequently asked, I named them because if you take 2018, 19, 20 papers, so most of the questions and 90% of the papers contains sets and relation question compulsorily. And I will go to subtopic in the next step. First I am talking about the only chapters names. Now you see, if we take 2018, 19, 2020, the JEE mains paper if you take, I analyze it thoroughly. The chapter which I am mentioning, compulsory question is there. 90% of the papers, because they conducted for morning, evening sessions, 3 days on January, 4 days on September, all the days together and also 18, 19 years, all the slots if you take, every paper chapter wise I analyzed. In that, it is found that 90% of the papers contain these questions. What is that? Sets and relations. The question from sets and relation. 3D geometry including lines and planes. Mean value theorem. And vector algebra. Vector algebra means it is nothing but a addition of vector, properties of vector, scalar product, dot product, cross product, triple product, multiple product all together. And sequence and series, which involves AP, GP, HP. Statistics contains the mean, mode, median, mean deviation, standard deviation, variance, all that. Theoretical distribution, particularly in theoretical distribution, if we take, it involves binomial distribution and random distribution, random variables say. That is, any event is there of xi is an event in a random variable of a random experiment. Sigma xi is equal to 0 or sigma xi is equal to 1. Some of the probabilities, sigma p of xi equal to 1. Depending upon that, questions are coming. And say in a binomial distribution, majority times Poisson and random is very less, but in the binomial distribution you are getting a question. In a binomial distribution, q plus p power n will take mean, variance, standard deviation depending upon that formula, and also occurrence of an event NCR, p power r, q power n minus. Related to that question you are getting in the theoretical distribution. Poisson distribution till now they are not given. Whereas the next topic, if we take circles, say in the circles a biggest chapter, but they are not giving that much of lengthy questions, which involves that length of tangent, chord of contact, equation of tangent, polar, pole, inverse points, pair of tangent, chord through midpoint, power of the point. So many things are there, all that. And actually subtopic wise which questions occur, I will discuss after a few minutes. Next, conic section, which involves ellipse, hyperbola and parabola. In this actually very much basics only they are giving. And in that too parametric form of this they are not giving. And straight line, which involves the foot of perpendicular, image, point of concurrence, and different forms of the straight lines if we take, that is intercept form, parametric form, etc. Next, if we take trigonometric equation, principal value finding and general value, and number of values finding, number of values. Next, inverse trigonometric function involves domain and range of the inverse functions, and an infinite series will be there which will be reduced in the tan inverse x plus y by x minus y form, or trigonometric substitution such that it will be reduced to a simpler form and elimination of the inverse will be there. That type of questions are correct. Whereas quadratic equation, it involves the quadratic binomial, quadratic trigonometric, quadratic and matrix relations also. And function you know very well, it is a functional equations, composite functions, domain and range. Mathematical reasoning, it's a very, very easy and important topic. And because I will talk about this again separately. Matrix and determinant, complex numbers, maxima, minima, tangent, normal, integrals, definite integral, integrations, and areas and differential equation, continuity, differentiability, probability. These are the topics, not subtopic I'm talking about. These are the chapters which compulsory question is coming in the mains. Now, if we take, you take the screen, particularly 2020, January and September, they conducted 2 times, no? In the total papers average I had taken. And an average, algebra 10 questions occurred. So because the last year they conducted for 25 questions, I'm calculating about that only. But actually this year I think, you know, each subject, maths, physics, chemistry, each subject, 20 multiple choice questions will be there with correct answer plus 4 marks, wrong answer minus 1 mark. Whereas there will be 10 numerical questions. In that numerical questions, correct answer plus 4. If it is a wrong answer, 0. No negative marking is there. But that numerical 10 questions, you are allowed to attempt only 5. Means only 5 questions you are allowed. But depending upon the last year 25 questions, how they occurred in September and January 2020 means 10 algebra questions occurred. This algebra actually I added sets and relations, sequence and series, mathematical reasoning, matrix and determinants, quadratic equation, binomial theorem, permutation combination, including probability and random variable I added here, 10 questions. Whereas calculus, you know, limits, derivative, application of derivative, integral calculus, total 6 questions. Coordinate geometry, first year straight line questions, and also if we take the second part, circles and conic section, 5 questions. 3D and vector algebra together 3 questions, and trigonometry 1. In this trigonometry, one important point I want to tell it. Previous long back, if you take 3 years back, trigonometry is the least important chapter. No questions should occur. Only heights and distance they used to give very easy questions. But for the last 2 years onwards, they are giving the trigonometry also. Actually, in some papers, 3 questions also occurred. One is trigonometry identities, one is trigonometric equation, one is inverse. But on an average, I had taken 1 question is compulsorily coming in trigonometry. Now, each topic wise, if you take, what are the subtopics you are getting, we'll discuss now. If you take the sets and relations, it is found that depending upon the union of sets, means n of A will be given, n of B will be given. What is n of A union B lies between. And intersection, n of A intersection B lies between. And there will be theoretical topics also. Say 20% will read ENADU paper, 20% will read, 25% will read X paper. And what is the number of people who read only ENADU or only X paper, like that. That type of, using the Venn diagram also you can calculate. That type of questions are also coming. And it involves the relations. If you take a number of equivalent relations, reflexive relations, transitive relations, symmetric relations. So they are giving that say with A domain will be given, how many number of let us imagine n of A is 4, how many number of equivalent relations can be made, how many number of symmetric relations are possible, transitive relations are possible, that type of question. And also A will be given, B will be given, how many number of sets are possible such that some condition they will give, say Y intersection Z, and Y is a subset of Z, X is a subset of Z, XY belonging to universal set. Then under this condition, how many number of relations are possible? That type of questions also they are asking. So this is the, because if we take the circles or integrations or indefinite integral, very, very biggest chapter, it will take around 2 to 3 days to prepare. But I'm talking about the next 40 days what you need to prepare. So 2 to 3 days preparation, but you will get 1 or 2 questions. But section relation, if you concentratingly, theoretical concept, if you learn for 4 hours, some problems only there. If you learn, you will get 1 question compulsorily. It is easy to attempt. Now, another easiest and compulsory attempt question, that too you are getting 2 to 3 questions. That is a 3D geometry. 3D geometry, if you take, say, coordinate system starting part, only one time they are given, that is internal angular bisector. Whereas many times they are giving the an angle made with x-axis, y-axis, or number of lines which makes the equal angle with x, y, z axis. That is involves cos square alpha, cos square beta, cos k gamma problem, and the direction cosines problems, and their maxima minima. If L plus M plus N, L square M square plus N square is 1, then what is the maximum value of element? Related to the maximum also they are asking. Whereas planes and lines, it is a compulsory question. Many questions they are repeated also, not with numbers but types. In that, what happened? A line lies on the plane, then what is the K? Or 2 lines are there, if they are coplanar, what is K? Or you can say 2 lines are there, their angle between that lines, or angle between the line and the plane, or distance from a point to the line along the direction or parallel to the another line. This type of question is a must, compulsory in 3-dimensional geometry, and that too, because more weightage is there, you have to prefer this. Means I am taking, once again I will tell, in 40 days of preparation, I am saying that you prepare all the chapter, those who are targeting the first NITs, the standard NITs like NIT, Calcutta, Calicut, or say Varangal or Tiruchirappalli, Surathkal. That is the first prestigious NITs if you want. Definitely all the chapter you have to do. But I am talking that first give preference to weighted chapters, thoroughly you prepare, you spend more time, remaining chapter you revise. All chapter you revise. Whereas those who are say aiming to get average marks and a good college only, not best college, then you can prepare this weightage chapters only. The other you can also say simply you give a glance like that. So that you have to keep in your mind. If you take mean value theorem, in that Lagrange's mean value theorem and Rolle's theorem, a simple continuity, differentiability related questions. related questions, directly finding the whether it is applicable Rolle's theorem or Lagrange's theorem, or whether say if Rolle's theorem is applicable, what is a constant, or the given condition will be there. That is nothing but so f of x is equal to tan x will be given. Then x lies between under the 0 to pi, where what is the value such that it is valid, or such that it is Rolle's theorem is valid, like that type of questions. And number of roots which is valid with respect to the Rolle's theorem also they are asking. Another most important, and you have to spend more time on this, is the vector algebra. Many problems of vector algebra we can do by three-dimensional problems, and 3D problem also we can do by the vector algebra method. And in that, if you take addition of vector, properties of vector, very less time they are giving, but more number of questions, more time they are getting. You are getting the question from dot product or scalar product. That is the area of the parallelogram, area of the, say, triangle, and unit vector perpendicular, that is related to triple product and cross product, and also related to the triple product. Many questions are there: volume of tetrahedron, volume of the parallelepiped, and some conditions will be given, that is a plus b plus 2c is equal to 0. Then what is a cross b, b cross c, c cross c, in terms of a cross c, or you can say to find out the unknown constants. And in this, many questions are coming a direct formula based. One time they are given simply a cross b plus b cross c plus c, a cross b, b cross c, c cross a. That is nothing but a box is a cross b whole square. And one problem they are given a cross b whole square plus a dot b whole square equal mod a square mod b square. And another time they asked about the length of the median, that is mod of ab plus ac by 2. Means one step problems also they are giving, but you have to know that formulas. You have to know that formulas, and related to the distance from the line to the plane in a vector form. You are getting. This is a very, very important and easy chapter to get the marks, because three-dimensional and vector algebra, three-dimensional and vector algebra, 3 questions you are getting. So statistics I wanted to discuss. Actually, mean will be there, mode will be there, median, quartile deviation, mean deviation, standard deviation, variance of group data and group data. But I am telling that last 3 years questions are majorly coming from a ungrouped data only. Ungrouped, and most of the questions related to variance and standard deviation occurred. Variance and standard deviation. That too, some theoretical questions are also occurred. What is that? A theoretical question means some data will be given. If it is multiplied by something, then variance is. And some data will be given. If it is added or subtracted, then what is the standard deviation? And also, one major thing is standard deviation. It is nothing but a abbreviated, or you can say simplified formula we'll use. If the sum of the scales of the event and sum of the events of n events are given, how to find out the standard deviation? That is root of sigma xi square by n minus sigma xi by n whole square. Using that formula, standard deviation and variance calculation, many times they are occurred. Many times they are occurred. And one more thing is, n1 and n2 are the two different groups having the averages of x1 bar, x2 bar, then combined average. That is n1 x1 bar, n2 x2 bar when 1%. Similarly, combined standard deviation and also combined, say, variance calculation. And many times they ask this type of question also. Simply n natural numbers are there, what is standard deviation? Or you can say n multiples are there, then what is the standard deviation? One time they are given first 50 number, what is the standard deviation? Another time they ask 23 multiples are there, what is the standard deviation? 21st 3 multiples numbers, what is the standard deviation? Like that easy questions you are getting in statistics. Now you are getting a quadratic equation, theory of equation, polynomials, binomial theorem, trigonometric equations, and matrix and determinant together. Many times questions are coming, and generally those who are not perfect, they will feel hard in this chapter because they are relating to the roots and nature of roots. Many times the questions occur. That is nothing but say they will give, say, alpha beta are the roots of x square plus x plus 1. Then what is alpha power 2019 plus beta power 2019? Like that. Or one root is double the other or 3 times the other, what is the k value finding? Or one common root is given, what is the k value? And many times they using the formula ax square plus bx plus c, and a will have the same sign if roots are complex. This concept is very important. Depending upon this, many times the question occur. So that is a simple questions only coming in the quadratic, but what happened? The calculation will be very lengthy. Calculation will be very lengthy. That is a very, very important, and many times the mixed concept of the quadratic matters determinant, quadratic trigonometric equation, quadratic functions, quadratic sequence and series. Related questions are also coming. That you have to remember. In the function chapter, functional equations, and also series of the problem related to the step functions. Step of x by 3, step of x by 5, step of x by 7 is equal to step of 31 x by 2. That x binding, and also the composite functions. G circle fx is equal to something given, f of x is given, what is G inverse? Inverse involved also they are asking. And domain and range questions which are easy. And number of onto function, number of one function, number of many to one functions under certain restrictions also they are asking. Nature of the functions under certain restrictions they are also asking. That also very important. Another important and easy chapter to gain the marks is the mathematical reasoning. If you take this, if you actually with concentration, 2 hours if you prepare, 2 hours, you will get good marks. One question compulsory. Mathematical reason involves negation, conversion, divergence, implication, by implication, and connectivities. That is, if we take P implies Q such that Q implies Q, that is converse, inverse, and contrapositive. This type of connectivities, and many times the problem related to what they will give means P implies Q is logically equivalent. Options will be there. This type of question many times repeated, logically equivalent. Means you have to draw the truth table for the given and also for the options, you will get equal. So easy to get one question from this. Now, another chapter, because students may feel a typicalness in the probability and the permutation combination, but in the permutation combination, last 2 years questions, if we observe it, they asked rank many times, and they asked with repeated letters also rank, and they asked some of the 5-digit number formed by the numbers, and the numbers which are divisible by 3 or 4 or 5 or 7 also, 6. The divisibility problem also they asked, and a simple problem of the together or not together, vowels are together, not together question also asked. Whereas in the probability, many concepts are there, but many times they are asking the related to addition theorem, Bayes theorem, and conditional probability. That type of questions you are getting. That type of questions. Whereas next, if we take straight lines. If you take this is the biggest chapter but easiest chapter. Concepts are more. In the straight lines, intercept form, perpendicular form, normal form, parametric form, symmetric form of the lines, 2-point formula, 1-point formula, slope point formula, y-intercept formula, like that. Related to that, and finding the image foot of perpendicular, and many times family of the lines they are given, that is nothing but point of concurrence, or it passes through fixed point. That type of questions also they ask, because many are involved. Distance between the parallel line, distance between the perpendicular line parallel to that, so many conditions are there, and point of concurrence. Related to these questions they are asking, but only one time they asked finding orthocenter, circumcenter, etc. also in this chapter. Next, differential equation. Many times they are asking the problems related to variable separation and linear equation involved in that is nothing but integration factor. Whereas this year we are expecting that, because 3 years gap, previously they used to do application. Application is nothing but a rate of decay of the bacteria with respect to the time is given as something, and after 100 minutes or after 100 years, what is the rate of decay, or what is the amount left, or you can say that profit and loss equations by with respect to differential application oriented problems we can expect this year. And maxima minima, it's one of the major topic, but some students will feel very difficult, because maxima minima of the algebraical functions are there, trigonometric functions are there, vector algebra functions are there, and it involves a theoretical application oriented problems are also there. That is nothing but sum of the numbers is given, then what is the product of the numbers are maximum, or related to the series, infinite series will be given, or a1, a2, a3, an is something is given, what is the minimum value. And in that quadratic equation will be there, the minimum value, ratio of the quadratic equation there, maximum minimum, not local or global maximum minima, that depth they are not going in. It's a basic concept oriented problems only coming in the maximum minimum. That is finding f of x, f dash x, f double dash, up to that is enough. But related to different topics, related vector algebra, trigonometry, algebraical, series related questions are coming in the sequence and series, and this is the one of the most important compulsory question. Here trigonometry, if you take last 3 years back, if you take say 2013 to 18, no trigonometric question used to come. Heights and distance, one simple question they used to give, but for last 2-3 years they are giving the trigonometry. Particularly if you take the last year paper only, inverse trigonometry, trigonometric equation, identity trigonometry, also 3 questions also occur in one paper, but on an average 1 question is coming. Inverse trigonometry, if you take say involving tan inverse x cot inverse x pi by 2 formula, and by substituting x equal to tan theta or cos theta, it should be reduced to a simpler form, and interrelated to the limits also they asked. And in a trigonometric equation, if you take principal value finding, general values finding, and number of values of the theta in between that sum intervals. And you know a cos theta, b sin theta plus c is equal to 0, or you can say that this equation is solvable when mod c is less than or equal to root of a square b square. Based on this also you are getting in trigonometry, easy to attempt. And in circles, you know, so many cases I told already starting, but involving the number of common tangents and the condition that they touch externally, they touch internally, that type of questions are coming in this. Now, very carefully observe it before going to the other thing. One major thing we are very carefully see. One major thing I want to tell now. These are the topics, but what about 40 days? Only 40 days are left. Priority of the topics also will tell, and priority involves in the 3 categories. One is called as simply qualification. That is nothing but we have to cross the boundary to write the advanced examination. Second, to get into a NITS or triple ITs. Third, to get into a NITS or triple ITs, NITS of the first colleges. First college is nothing but branded colleges like NIT Warangal, Tiruchirappalli, Surathkal, Calicut, like that. So it depends upon different marks. The preparation strategy for the 3 categories are different. So first coming to category 3, that is nothing but to get into a prestigious institutes of the NIT like Warangal, Tiruchirappalli, etc. First colleges. For that, you have to get out of 300, 140 above marks you have to get. Out of 300 I am talking. Out of 300 I am talking, you have to get around above 140 marks. And if above 160 marks, I will talk about different categories. 80 marks, 80 marks, 140 marks, 160 marks. What is 80 marks? And also 40 marks. What about this? If you are getting 160 and above, whatever choice you want in the first college computer science, you will get. 160 out of 300, it means that 40 questions out of 75 questions you have to attempt. 40 questions out of 75 questions you have to attempt. That means around 13 to 14 questions you have to attempt in the mathematics, in physics, chemistry. So 14 questions is nothing but a simple orally I will tell. Vector algebra, 3-dimensional geometry, matrix and determinant, sets and relations, sequence and series, straight line. I am talking about easy and compulsory questions. So, vector algebra, 3-dimensional geometry, matrix determinant, sets and relations, sequence series, straight lines, circles. Next thing is inverse trigonometry and trigonometric equation. Inverse in trigonometry and trigonometric equation. Next point, if we take another thing is conic section. Next, that is limits. Quadratic equation. Quadratic equation. Probability and random distribution. Probability and random distribution. So now why I am talking about these questions? If you take year 1, year 2, year 2, 1, 2, 1, 1, 1, 2 or 3, 1, 1, 5, 10, 15, 16 questions over. I already told 14 questions are enough. So to get into a good prestigious college also, if you prepare 100% these chapters and you attempt, but those who are say opting for the high standard college, all chapters you will prepare. All chapters you will prepare, but I am talking about this 40 days. This 40 days, you prepare all chapters you are targeting the first colleges. But this chapter 100% perfectly you prepare. Means if you are taking the time, daily 6 hours math you are doing, I will say that this chapter you spend 4 hours and 2 hours for other unwanted chapters. Unwanted chapter is nothing but not compulsory chapters. So you prepare. That means 2/3 time for this and 1/3 time for the remaining. If you take, you will get. So I am talking about 160 marks. Some people may have the doubt that 160 marks, what is the rank? 160 marks last year 6,000 rank. And whereas if you got a doubt of 140 marks is nothing but approximately 12 to 15,000 rank. Those who got the seats needs with that rank easily. And whereas if you take 80 marks ranks will be in thousands, 60 to 70,000. But only that thing is 80 marks indicate that you will be qualified for the advanced purpose. Advanced purpose. So I will repeat again these things. SC, ST students, if you get 40 marks out of 300, you will qualify. You will qualify. I will go in a stepwise now. 40 marks indicate they can prepare vector algebra, three-dimensional geometry, sets and relation, sequence and series, matrix and determinant, trigonometric equation, straight line, circles. More than enough. More than enough, this chapter. Whereas to cross the barrier, this 40 indicate that by 10 questions I'm talking. Out of 340 marks indicate total 10 questions you attempt MPC together. I am talking here 10 questions of the maths. Out of that 5-6 they can attempt. Whereas those who wanted to qualify the barrier, open category students, 70 to 80 marks are needed to cross the barrier so that you will be qualified for the advanced writing. 80 indicate that by 20 questions you attempt. 20 indicate each subject 7 questions. Each subject 7 questions. If you take maths here, 2 more chapters you add. 2 more chapters you add. That is nothing but random distribution. Then probability. Next point, conic section. Straight line I already added. Conic section, probability, quadratic equation, you add it. So that you are attempting for 12 questions, but 7 is enough to qualify. I'm talking. That is different. To get the 140 or 160, already I told that chapters you have to prepare. Means you have to prepare all the chapters, those who are wanted to join in a prestigious institute, every chapter you prepare, but this 40 days prepare 2/3 time for that important chapter. Once again, I am repeating vector algebra, three-dimensional geometry, straight lines, circles, matrix and determinant, sequence and series, sets and relations, mathematical reasoning, limits, differentiation, these probability, quadratic equation, this chapter, conic section. These are the chapters you have to prepare more time. And remaining chapter, if you take, what are the remaining chapters? The many chapters are there, like locus, change of axis, say other chapter, rates, errors. Next is the binomial theorem, permutation, combination. All these chapters, less preference you give. But actually, those who are confident of the subject of the concept of permutation, they are giving very easy questions. Many times they ask a rank. Many times they ask a number found by 1, 2, 3, 4, divisible by 3, divisible by 4, like that. Some of the numbers also they ask. The direct questions are coming, but some people will feel typical. So you prepare that. All these after you prepare, but in 40 days, this you go, give more preference, you will get a good rank. So I am repeating again with this topic, if you take in this 40 days, every day, around 6 hours maths, 4 hours physics, 4 hours chemistry, you have to study. You have to prepare. Learning is different, doing is different. I am talking that simply reading the book, it won't give. You have to, mathematics means you have to solve. You have to solve. Say, out of that 6 hours, whatever the chapters I told, all that chapters involving 2018, 19, 20 questions. You prepare, let us imagine today you prepared about the matrix and determinant and vector algebra. Then immediately do the 2018, 19, 20 questions. It's more than enough to get a confidence. Like that you have to prepare. So this is the major thing about the rankings, and also what about the physics, chemistry, important topics and subtopics, and what type of rank you will get with respect to which marks. I will tell in the next episode what is the marks, what is the percentile, what is the rank, and what you will get the C. And also I will tell about the physics, what are the weightage chapters, what type of questions analysis of the 2020, 18, 19, and chemistry also I will tell in the next episode. So